Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. I'll be thinning some of these out here, these larger ones. Now I can let these get bigger if I choose to, but I'm going to let the one beside it get bigger. So I'm just going to pull this one here out. It's a cute little radish. They will get definitely much bigger than this if I would have left it in. But I'm just thinning some of these out that are close together here, that have any type of size to them. And then I am going to be refeeding this trough here. See, like if I pull this one here out, it's going to allow this one here to get larger. And what I can also do, and what I am going to do, is every place that I pulled one out, I'm going to reseed that area with my seeds that are in the refrigerator. Go down through here and see. Here we go. Here's one. This will let the other ones grow. And then I will wash these up when I'm ready to eat them. The wind kicked up on me, so I can't use the tripod right now anymore, because that could equal disaster. And I'm just going to let this one get bigger. It's not close to any of the other ones, so. And I'll show you in another video how I refeed this garden trough. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.